Welcome all of you students. In this lesson, we are talking about introduction to variable. What is variable and how we use variable. I will demonstrate you to in details in this lesson. Right? Let's move into illustration part. Right? Think about this. Right? This is your memory. This is your memory, right? Memory actually, that is RAM memory, random access memory. Most of the time, we store our variables inside RAM memory. Then you can ask, what about cache memory? Actually, cache also keep data from RAM, right? It also keep data from RAM memory. We mostly say we keep variables value inside RAM memory. Actually, the two type of memories we use, right? First one is stack. Second one, heap. The both areas we store data inside RAM, right? I want to tell this. Actually, when we declare a variable in C# or other programming language, reserve memory location from RAM memory, right? Think about this. In this way, I initialize a variable, integer type variable x, right? This is the way how to initialize a variable. I declare integer type variable. Actually, then we reserve some memory locations from RAM, right? If it is integer type, it has fixed length, right? Think about your variable, your integer is 32-bit length integer, right? This is 32-bit length integer, right? That means your integer, you declared a variable and it has fixed length, right? You can store any value inside this variable, right? For initializing variables, you can initialize 12, right? Now your variable x store value 12. In next time you can store 30. It doesn't matter. When we declare a variable, we allocate some memory blocks from RAM memory or from memory, then you can assign any value to that. But next thing, actually think about your integer length is 32-bit. You want to assign value like this. Can we store this value inside this X or this memory location? Probably not. When you convert into this decimal value to binary value, you can check its length is 32-bit or not, less than 32-bit or higher. Most probably this length is higher than 32-bit. Then we can't store this value inside this 32-bit, this integer type variable. Then we need big size of variable types. Then we can actually use double type variable, right? Double or other types. The different type of variables available in C#. In next lesson, I will demonstrate what kind of variables available in C#. But in this lesson, I want to get idea about variables, right? First thing, variables store data inside your RAM memory or your memory. When we declare a variable, it allocate or it reserve a specific size of memory locations, right? Then we can store value to that memory location. That is the variable creation and value assigning part. The thing is, you can't store any value in that variable. It depends on variable type, right? You can't store any value. The reason is variable size, always fixed. Next thing, how I decide what kind of variable types I should use. Think about this. If you want to store a small number, you can use a small size of variable, right? If you want to store very big number, you can use big range of variables. Actually, it helps you to manage your memory, right? These are the things I want to introduce as variable introduction, right? Okay, let's move into next lesson. Thank you.